Looking for the power to tackle tough jobs or the precision to perform complex tasks? Whatever's on your to-do list, the all-new Kubota LX20 is just right, thanks to its power, durability, and versatility. Combine it with a wide range of performance-matched implements and get more done all season, every season. You'll find Kubota's trusted engineering throughout the LX20, since it's Kubota built from front to rear. The turbocharged diesel engine, transmission, performance-matched loader, one-piece full open steel hood, and steel platform are all constructed with the trusted Kubota durability and quality you want. Built for material handling, loader work, snow removal, and property maintenance, the LX20 has increased travel speed, improved comfort, and noise reduction with ease of operation. Its compact size makes it more maneuverable for all kinds of residential and commercial tasks, like getting into tight wooded trails, mowing your lawn, or clearing snow-covered walkways. Let's take a closer look at the LX20's operability, comfort, and workability. Now available with multiple horsepower options. The latest addition to the LX series, the LX20, with a robust 39.8 horsepower engine and an impressive 31.2 PTO horsepower. This model delivers an ample power boost precisely when you require it. Auto throttle lets you control the RPM with the HST pedal and set it to the right level based on the application at hand. You won't need to reach for the hand throttle anymore, which improves acceleration and efficiency. You can also quickly and easily adjust the ideal engine RPMs by using the dual engine memory switches. The LX20 also has increased top speed, so you can move more quickly and get more done. It's perfect for those commercial snow removal customers when trying to get from A to B during those nasty winter storms. The efficiency doesn't stop there. The new LX3520 and LX4020 have an economy PTO selection, allowing you to run the engine at a lower RPM setting while still reaching 540 RPM at the PTO. It's a smart way to reduce fuel consumption. The independent electric PTO switch gives you simple engagement and disengagement. Push and turn to start, and push to stop. With 3 ranges to choose from, you'll find the speed and torque range that's just right for any job. The HST pedal has been redesigned for your comfort. Whether you prefer to operate it with your heel or your toe, the pedal will accommodate you. Now, let's explore the just right features that make the LX20 perfect for all-day use. One standout feature is the premium cab, designed with spaciousness and comfort in mind. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the generous room available. The doors open wide, facilitating easy entry and exit, ensuring a hassle-free experience throughout your workday. Moreover, the interior provides ample space, allowing you to move comfortably and efficiently. In addition to the spaciousness, the LX20's premium cab offers panoramic views of your surroundings. With expansive windows and thoughtfully designed visibility, you'll have an unobstructed view of the environment around you. Keep working during nights and early mornings. LED work lights come standard for both the front and rear on the LX models. And when the temperature drops, your productivity won't, thanks to cold weather features like the rear defroster and wiper. No matter the conditions, your ride will always be comfortable in the deluxe high-back suspension seat that absorbs shock and reduces fatigue. Armrests come standard to make your day even more comfortable, while the wide operator platform gives you plenty of legroom. Comfort is important, but let's take a look at some of the features that help the LX get down to business. Take a closer look at the new LA545 Performance Matched Loader. The premium designs and features allow you to optimize productivity while ensuring long-lasting comfort throughout your workday. At Kubota, we take pride in designing our loaders to match the size and operation of each tractor, along with reliability and safety. The new performance-matched loader is designed with premium features for optimal control. Operators can simultaneously use the lift lower and curl dump functions, which enables precise and efficient material handling. As a standard feature, the loader is equipped with a 2-lever quick attach system, enabling operators to effortlessly switch between various loader attachments such as grapples, snow pushers, pallet forks, and buckets. Additionally, the Swift Tack option is available, empowering customers to swiftly and easily connect the loader to the hydraulic 4-pin connector. This seamless connection mechanism enhances operational convenience and minimizes downtime. For even greater versatility, Land Pride offers a third function kit. Alongside the loader improvements, the LX models now offer a new and enhanced mid-mount mower deck in 60 and 72-inch widths. These mower decks are equipped with a convenient washout port as a standard feature, allowing you to effortlessly clean the mower deck shell at the end of the day. Get additional front mount versatility that lets you work while traveling forward with the LX K-Connect front hitch and attachments. Thanks to the durable design of the frame undercarriage and the exclusive front hitch, it can be installed and removed quickly, so you can attach a range of snowblowers, blades, and sweepers. There we have it, the new LX20 Series, with plenty of power in a compact size. Versatility and performance-matched implements to do more landscaping, snow removal, and property maintenance jobs. Get the power to haul, dig, mow, and snowblow from spring to winter and everything in between.